Hey everybody, it's Hungarian Tattoos. I'm sharing how to make Hungarian chicken paprikash. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a frying pan. And just on a medium heat, we're going to add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of salted butter as well. And I'm just going to add in some chicken drumsticks. I'm going to do this recipe based on 9 pieces. So you want to slowly add them in so it doesn't drop the pan's temperature straight away. And all we're going to do is cook these for a couple of minutes on each side until they're nice and brown. Alright, so that's looking pretty good now. So what we're going to do is take these out and just place them onto a plate. Alright, so what we're going to do now is get 1 brown onion, slice through the middle, and we just want to finely dice this. Just like so. So let's move back to our stove now, and we're going to add these to the same pan. And we just want to cook these off until they're softened and brown. At this point we'll also add in 2 crushed garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of black pepper, the most important ingredient, 4 tablespoons of Hungarian paprika. And we just want to stir that through. Next I'm going to add in 1 can of diced tomatoes. That's a 400 gram can. Alright guys, so next we're going to transfer this mixture into a pot, and for this we'll add our chicken straight back in. And we're going to top this up with about 2 cups of chicken stock. So guys, lid on the pot. On a low heat, we want to cook this for about 45 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. Alright guys, so while we're waiting, just into a small bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of sour cream. And I'm going to top that up with a 1/4 cup of cream. And to this we're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of plain flour. And just using a whisk, we just want to carefully mix that through and get it combined. Alright guys, so we're at the 45-minute mark now. You can tell our chicken is all the way cooked through, which is what we want. So what we're going to do now is take these chickens out and place them onto a plate. And what we're going to do next is add in our sour cream flour mixture straight into our pot. Get that all out. And just using our whisk, just want to combine that together. So once that's combined, we can add our chicken straight back. Okay, lid back on, and all we're doing guys is simmering this for about 5 minutes in that sauce. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes now. So I've just turned the heat off. And that's looking amazing. So let's go ahead and serve. Alright guys, so let's top it off with our sauce. And we'll finish it off with some fresh parsley. Beautiful. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.